Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Melinda's Homemaking Life. We're jumping straight in today with this Power Hour. We are going to be focusing on my master bath and my master bedroom to give it a good clean. My master bedroom doesn't need a whole lot, but it needs a good surface dusting, some vacuuming. You'll see as we go, but my master bathroom definitely needs a good clean.
We've been acting out for days, nothing to deny. Blown up because echoes through the halls. You keep sleeping on the couch just to prove the point. I'm too proud to tell you when I'm wrong. Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames. Breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were wiser. Go and light the match, babe. Miss out on the good days. Breathing, we are catching fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Silent treatment ain't no cure, just making it harder. Keep on acting busy on your phone. I just wanna feel your touch, baby, can we stop this? Don't you wanna hold me anymore? Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames. Breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were wiser. Go and light the match, babe. Miss out on the good days. Breathing, we are catching fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Ooh, go and light the match, babe. Miss out on the good days. We're catching fire. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames. Breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were wiser. Go and light the match, babe. Miss out on the good days. Breathing, we are catching fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire.
Next up, I'm going to work on the inside of my shower doors. I have a really good friend named Paula who has told me about a product at Lowe's that I need to use on my shower doors. So the next time I go to Lowe's, I'm going to grab it. But I'm trying to use up all the product that I have in the meantime. So you're going to see me wipe these doors down, but then I'm going to go off camera to rinse them because I usually end up taking a shower while I'm rinsing them. So I'm going to, I don't want you guys to see me like my shirt all wet and all kinds of things because I'm short. And so the water tends to get all over me once I start rinsing. So that's why you don't see me rinsing these showers. Once I get that product that Paula was telling me about from Lowe's, I'll be sure to tell you what it is. From my understanding, you spray it on your shower doors, you let it sit overnight, and then you rinse them the next day, and they're sparkling clean.
Head underwater, I'm falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, we're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about about you feels so different. Makes me wanna risk it every time I look at you. You pull me back into your river, swim a little deeper. I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. Don't know the reasons, I'm not sure I really care. We're all of our demons, and they never disappear. I will forgive you if you've forgiven me. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different. Makes me wanna risk it every time I look at you. You pull me back into your river, swim a little deeper. I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
So I went and got my hair done, guys. I'm so excited. I'm trying to lighten my hair too. So she told me that it would take a few months so that she didn't have to bleach my hair. I'm not going like blonde or anything because I'd look too washed out, but I'm getting rid of the dark and going to go to like a caramel or a honey brown color. Are you guys doing anything for self-care to get through the winter months? I know that you guys deserve it for all of the work that you put in to make sure that your home and family functions. Let me know in the comments what that you're doing for self-care.
We share a cigarette out on your mama's porch. Just do not let her know, 'cause she'll get furious. We're blowing rings of smoke out in the freezing cold. Driving in your shitty car, windows down, music loud. Promise me we'll stay like this. Talking about our kids someday, picket fence, fancy house. Do you think we'll stay like this? 'Cause I know we're only 17, but I just feel the need to tell you how I really feel about you. Maybe when we're older, we'll grow out of each other. But right now we're just 17. 17.
Since I had a little bit left of our hour, I went ahead and decided to throw in my hallway as well to give it a dust and to give it a quick vacuum. That's going to round it out for this Power Hour video. Thank you all so much for following along. I appreciate you all so much. I also wanted to tell you how much that you supporting my channel means to me. Like, I know I tell you that I appreciate you all the time, but like, no, I really, really appreciate it. I'm enjoying getting to know each and every one of you. We hit 400 subscribers last week, and I could not do this without each and every one of you. Most importantly, don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you in the next video.